The next generation 2021 Toyota Sienna may arrive in late 2020. The 2021 Toyota Sienna minivan debuted in 1997 as a replacement for Toyota's first minivan, the Previa, with units for the North American market being built in Indiana. The Sienna is front-wheel drive and rides on the same foundation as the Toyota Camry. The first-generation Sienna was the smallest minivan on the market. First appearing in 2010, the second-generation Sienna was larger, making it comparable in size to competitors' minivans. Premiering in 2010, the third-generation Sienna was named a top safety pick by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. The Sienna is the only minivan offering optional all-wheel drive. From 2000 to 2018, Sienna sales averaged over 124,000 units yearly. What we might expect from the 2021 Toyota Sienna. The buzz is that the next generation Sienna will arrive in 2021, but more about that later. Lacking pre-science and assuming that the 2021 Sienna is the 2020 Sienna model carried forward, this is what the 2021 model will likely offer inside and out. There will be 7 trim packages: L, LA, and LA with auto access seat. The remaining trim options will be SE, XLE, XLE with auto access seat, and Limited. If sticker prices remain relatively static and not allowing for options not included in a trim package, the 2021 Sienna will retail for $31,565 on the low end and $44,460 on the high end. Seating for 7, Toyota Safety Sense, 5 USB ports, and a 7-inch touchscreen will be standard on all 2021 models. The engine bay will house a 24-valve 3.5L 296 horsepower V6 with dual overhead cams, backed by an 8-speed automatic transmission. All 2021 Siennas will be front-wheel drive with all-wheel drive offered as an option on the limited trim package. City, highway, and combined mileage will be 19, 27, and 22 miles per gallon, respectively. On average, automakers release the next generation of a model every 4 to 10 years. Based on that statistic, the next generation Sienna is due. Projected consumer impressions of the 2021 Sienna. Assuming that the 2021 model is not a totally new Sienna, it is reasonable to assume that consumer opinions of the 2021 Sienna will be the same as consumer opinions of the 2020 model. The Sienna's interior space received universal praise. At the same time, there were complaints that the interior is dated. Sienna buyers were pleased with the abundance of safety features. While owners appreciate the jet-up and go of the powerful V6 engine, some reviewers weren't happy with the cost of keeping gas in the Sienna. While the availability of all-wheel drive was seen as a plus, the lack of a hybrid model was seen as a minus. There were suggestions that it's time to revamp the Sienna's exterior. Will the 2021 Toyota Sienna be totally new? Spy photos have been posted on the web of what may be a mock-up for the 2021 Toyota Sienna. The spy shots show sheet metal that has been reworked to keep the tires inside the fenders, meaning that if the test vehicle becomes the 2021 Sienna, it will be wider and longer, creating greater stability and improved interior room. Despite its being camouflaged, updated head and tail lights were visible on the test vehicle. Sienna versus Chrysler Pacifica and Honda Odyssey. When it comes to the interior room, the Pacifica and Odyssey offer a skosh more backseat legroom than the Sienna, while the front seat room is comparable in the Sienna and Pacifica. Front seat passengers will find the Sienna more comfortable than the Odyssey. The Sienna offers a combined city and highway mileage for all 3 vehicles, averages around 27 miles per gallon. The Pacifica's base price is $33,495 compared to $31,565 for the Sienna and $30,690 for the Odyssey. At 200.63 x 78.13, the Sienna is 3.23 shorter and 1.53 narrower than Pacifica. The trade-off